Alright guys, welcome back. So if you got a AC compressor in your car and it just suddenly stop working, and you notice you check your tester, you notice current going to the wires but nothing coming from the, it's not engaging, this is what you can do. You carry a fuse to the back of it. So what I do, I get a flat pine screwdriver and a hammer and I chip away the fuse from right here, the back of it. So most of these coils come with the fuse, and this is also the fuse that I'll remove from it. That's it right here guys, that shine piece with two ends as the fuse. So what I do, I bridge it. I know that I bridge it to start to work, so I'm just gonna fix it like this for now, temporary, because I cannot get this coil. I tried to get it and I've been issues getting it, so I'm going to have to try to see if I can order it. But for now I just bridge it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put some silicone on it. So let me put it on it and show you the finishing guys. Alright now guys, so I do a connection right here from the positive terminal on the battery. Now also strip this end of the coil right there. So I put a socket inside of it, so look what's gonna happen now when I touch it guys. You can see it's working. Put it back right there. Go again. So show you that it's engaging guys. Alright, so now that I know that it's working, I'm going to put it back to the car and it should be okay. So if you find this very useful guys, please like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you.